YouTube, this is Latanya coming from Happy Scrapping 45 with the haul video from Michael's, and just a small from Tuesday morning. Went to Michael's this afternoon while I'm vacationing, and I picked up me some more of these Celebrate bags. They have them. You can use your 50% off coupon this week. No, it's for today and tomorrow. And also at Michael's, they had these items inside their dollar bins. These are the large crochets. They had them in every color, but I just wanted the whites. So I got like 3 or 4 of those. And then they had these spoons of twine. And I really got it for the spoons. These was 99 cents. And the jute twine. So I got 2 of those. Then I got me another storage thing for my washi tape. And then I finally got the Heidi Swapp mat. And it was silicone mat, and it was $11.99 this week. And it was only 1 in the store. So, yeah. Oh, also I got this from Tuesday morning while I was in Hot Springs. And it was 99 cents. It was the only one. So, yeah, you guys, this is a small haul I got this morning while we was leaving Hot Springs. So, yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. Bye-bye.